In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in games on PC, Windows 10 and 11. Now, first thing you can try is simply unplug your USB for your volume sound and replug it in different USB ports and see if that fixes your issue. Now, if it doesn't, then your next choice is to go to Device Manager and make sure your audio speaker is plugged in. And make sure you go to Device Manager and you'll go here to Audio Inputs, and you will be able to see speakers here. You should be able to see and detect your speaker that you have it connected here. And if you do, find it and right click on it and click Disable Device and re-enable it. After that, you want to click Update Driver and see if it does need any driver update. If you click here, you will be able to see the latest driver, then click next and this will update it. Now after this, restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now if it doesn't, then next thing you can try is go here and type in settings. And here type in sound settings, and you'll go to volume mixer. Inside volume mixer, you want to find the game, so make sure the game is open while you do this, and you're gonna find the game here, and just make sure the volume is set to the max, and this is set to default, and input is also default. After this, you can try and see if this fixes your issue. Now your last try is to go to Control Panel and type in troubleshoot. Go to troubleshoot, and here other troubleshoot, and here you will see audio. So run the troubleshoot for the audio and see if it gives you solutions and gives you ways you could fix your issue. So it will provide plenty of guides here, so you can follow through this, and hopefully this should fix your issue.